So obviously this is a huge topic. We have to talk about it. I'm sure a lot of attorneys that are running their own firms aren't sure yet how to, I don't know, take it on or even like feel about it. What's your take on it?
On generative AI specifically?
On any AI technology that can assist you in any part of running your law firm.
Yeah, I think you absolutely must be learning how to use AI right now. If you're a practicing attorney, if you don't want to use it on specific client matters, that's okay. It's okay to be cautious here, but you must be learning how to use it and how to incorporate it into your practice, because if you don't, then you will not be a practicing attorney for very long. And why is that? That's because you can't, like we talked about earlier, you can't continue to build time and make money that way when other lawyers will be adapting generative AI, which makes them much more efficient and effective in how they're able to deliver legal services. They will stop billing by the hour. I think generative AI is the thing that I was waiting for to be like, see, I told you, everyone, all the lawyers, I'm shouting out into the void, start using the subscription model. Well, this is the reason why you need to abandon the billable hour, is because generative AI will make it no longer the most profitable way that you can make money. And so so the lawyers who adopt AI and start using alternative fee arrangements, they'll soon no longer be alternative fee arrangements. They will be the fee arrangement, and lawyers who are billing by the hour will no longer be hired. So you have to start playing around with it so that you're ready for when that happens, because it will happen. It will be gradually and then suddenly.
I do love the idea that like the legal profession as a whole would all be in agreement that like, no, we'll all use AI to assist us with our caseloads. And we'll all still bill by the hour, but like 9 hours out of the day that I'm done asking AI to help me with my caseload, the 1 hour I spend in court, I'm just going to like sit around and play like ball in a cup in my office, you know? So there is something coming. You're definitely right. I don't know that it'll be all subscription based, but I definitely see a lot. I mean, over the past 2 years, over the previous 10, I haven't talked about alternative billing. And over the past 2, I've heard flat fee, value based. And now you're the first person that I know who's really doing a subscription based model for legal services. So something is changing.